That guy, he don't eat the prison food. Sometimes you'll find him eating outside food, like a pork. Here in this prison, we don't eat pork. You will find him eating a pizza. Here in this prison, they don't sell pizza. So those are some of the things which I can say he was living his best life. They only allow inmate to have one pair of teki or sneaker, one pair. But I can tell you, that guy, he was always changing the pairs of sneakers all the times. And the expensive one. We don't receive food. We don't receive toiletries from visitors. Those foods and those extra things, only the officials can bring them to the inmates, like what they did to Thabo Bester.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cellular. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So you guys, Thabo Bester appeared in court today in Bloemfontein, and he revealed that he does not eat prison food at all because he is afraid that he will be poisoned. This is the information he told his attorneys, and they revealed this to the magistrate. Today, you guys, the SABC News did an expose where they interviewed an old inmate who was with Thabo Bester in prison last year. So the inmate revealed that Thabo Bester received special treatment when he was incarcerated last year. The inmate said he did not eat prison food at all. He only ate pork, which they didn't serve in prison. He also ate food from outside prison. He had pizza. He also did not wear shoes. He wore designer shoes, designer sneakers while he was in prison. And he also revealed that people were very much afraid of Thabo Bester, you guys. Now, please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next update with this whole Thabo Bester and Nandipa Magudumana saga. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.